I lost little more to the streets, lost my cousin to the sis. Swear to God, everything been the same. And I'm trying to ease the fucking pain. I'm a part 2 purse, but I'm still swerving. I'm a fucking lane. Nigga changed up on a nigga, came up on a nigga. Swear to God, I'm a whole fucking thing.
Oh my God, I think we got someone who wants some goddamn smoke. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Ooh, blow off. Let's see if he can try next to me. Dude, we freaking smoked them. Might as well, here he comes, here he comes. Oh, F it up! So, this week was freaking brutal, guys. But I gotta clean my car, man. It's just disgusting. So I gotta clean this out, get all the trash out. I don't know. And then I got my car stuck the other day, and there's freaking mud everywhere. So I'm gonna do all that, clean Lucy up, and then I don't know what the hell's gonna go on. The things people leave at the car wash. The hell?
We were like this. We were like. So guys, this is us, and we're making a video.
What's going on?
So we're going over the Bay Bridge.
What's up, guys? So today we are going to, I wasn't really planning on going to Ocean City, but for cruise week, I usually go every year, but like a lot of poop stuff happened, but we're going there. We're gonna hopefully get some good footage. We are on the Bay Bridge right now, you feel me? So we should be there in about 2 hours, but I'm excited. So comment down below if you guys are down there. If not, I mean, you're missing out. So we're about to have fun. We're gonna get litty, and yeah.
Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Lil' shawty my dream girl, fresh up off the scene girl. She don't need nobody cause she rolling out with me, yeah. Seen her on the pole and said she had to come with me, yeah. Told her leave that lame and pull up on her when it's
Oh, got the Rari out, baby. Oh, got the Ford Focus RS. Launch that! Okay, so we ended up finding a place where, I mean, it's a lot cheaper than all other places, but we had a freaking mishap. My freaking camera, I dropped it out of my hand and the lens came apart and everything. I thought my camera was done. I just kind of looked at it for real and then I put it back together and she's good to go. Does that look right? Yeah, it looks good. You should roll them up like you usually do. But I'm just so glad I got my camera fixed because that would have sucked. Like I do not have the money right now to do that. Unless you guys support the Patreon to go buy some merch, link in the description. But we're about to go link up with Troy. If you guys don't know, he has a cts-v. We're gonna go do that and then we're gonna just enjoy our night. Troy. Nah, she wanted to drive. Sup, dog?
You got a friend in me.
Yeah. We're about to fill the V up and then we're gonna go get some food. Okay, so we're about to go get some food, but first we're gonna go grab some rolling shots of the V-ski. Yeah, enjoy these rolling shots because they're about to be bangers.
The pain when you look and when I ain't had no money, they ain't fuck with me. And if I give you my love, then you stuck with me. And I know they ain't gon' play, they know what's up with me. Yeah, I just get my money, then I head home. To that nigga, to my cuz, I want him dead gone. Lord, forgive me for my sins, I know I'm dead wrong. Yeah, forgive me for my sins, I know I'm dead wrong. I can't even stress on that time that I spend. Mom, for them tears, I'ma get you a Benz. I can't stay low-key, they know how we live. Got me paranoid cause she know where I live. They say I'm special, they say I'm the one. Just like I'm Neo, I'm around like 3 guns. City of killers and I ain't.
Rev it up, baby. No cops, baby, I got you. What?
I feel like I'm dying.
Alright, we have a few complications. She's freaking out. She's getting anxiety because of all the cars and crap. She wanted to drive though, but she did it. You know what I'm saying? She did good. So we're about to go eat. I'm not gonna film us eating obviously because it's just food. But yeah, we'll come back when we get the food.
Over here?
So we finished. Go ahead, baby, get lit. So we just finished eating. We're about to go fishing. Hopefully catch something dope, you feel me? But after that, we might go get a little bit lit. You know, we're trying to find some car stuff to do. If not, I mean, we're still having a good time. So we're gonna bring you guys with us. Hey! Rev it up. Rev it up. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Rev it up real quick. Pour up. Big lit.
So right by
Money in your pocket.
yeah, shorty.
Shorty.
Yeah, that's that bitch. Yeah, dude, that's the bed. Don't burn it.
Grab that bitch.
That's the Jetta.
Stop. Hey. One more time. Do a burnout. Yeah. What we got?
Trash cans.
Yeah, we all bipped up right now, you know what I'm saying, baby? Ooh, baby, ooh. So right now we about to go and go do some car things, hopefully. I don't know, I think we're just gonna head to Wawa with Troy, gonna head in the V, and then he gonna do all that because
Haley's doing her makeup.
Haley's doing her makeup because she always gotta look poppin'. Look at this shit, look, cha-ching. Oh, you look good, baby, you look good. Ooh. Damn, baby, damn, you looking fine as hell.
Do you eat butt or not?
Huh?
Do you eat butt?
I was fighting some demons. And the feelings I'm deeping.
Big lines, big Wawa lines.
Troy came out the cut like
Right. Troy always comes
Kayla's like
hooked on the sauce.
hooked on the sauce.
See, I ain't break the
Dang.
seal yet.
That car is so stinky.
Alright, so we gotta stand here.
We gotta sit in the parking spot because we handicapped out here, you know.
Yep, handicap sticker. Handicap sticker. You don't get to park here.
Right, she's over here at the handicap. The real
Right.
handicap's over
The
here.
real handicap.
The real handicap.
Hey, yeah, big sexy. Big sexy.
I got 26,000 viewers right now.
26,000?
I can't laugh. Tell us about it. What's up, man?
26,000.
Got the water.
Got the water.
Water.
The flavors, different flavors. Right now we got a Camaro with some Hoosier crank radio tires.
Some regular tires.
You got a
stock tires,
Mustang right here, you better
some
watch
stock
out.
tires.
Another Mustang.
Another Mustang.
Stock caddy.
We got the caddy out here.
Oh,
The caddy.
LSA time, baby.
Caddy.
LSA time, baby.
Caddy. Ooh, look at this.
Okay.
Okay, Pat.
Let's go on the beach, baby. Yeah.
Okay, Pat.
No key, that bitch probably fast as shit.
Okay, we got the Corvette out here. Okay, we got the Infinity. Okay.
All right.
We got the truck.
All right, we're done. We're done with the irrelevant cars. She's like, we got this tree over here. We got a tree. This thing is nice.
Supporting you.
Hey, I love the support. She supports me so much.
I support him.
So much.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
We got the G7X out. You gotta really hold this bitch out. Hey, mullet gang, yeah. We got this icy ass caddy, boy. Got the wing wang, got the up doors. We lit out this sick. That bitch is nasty. That bitch is nasty. I like it. I like it. Hey, beat gang, beat gang. Sammy. Why? Hey, what? Sam, why you look like that in the back?
What's going on here?
Sam, look. You got it.
You gonna run on
You got
over
it,
like-
Tyler. Lit? Are you lit?
A little bit, bro.
Hell yeah. Alright, that was a long night of fun here at Wawa's. We saw a whole bunch of different people. Shout out to the people we saw. gang shit for saying what's up, guys. I really appreciate that. But we're about to go finish our night off, you know what I'm saying? Go and do what we got to do.
Sleep, baby.
Yeah, we going to sleep. But hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We'll probably get a couple more clips tomorrow. If not, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.